Hey guys, and this is your first hands-on look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra plastic mock-ups coming in from China. Samsung is calling the shorter and wider folding device simply the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, while the taller model which succeeds the Samsung Z Fold 7 will be called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. That is dumb naming, I would say. Here are the official wallpapers of the Samsung Z Fold 8 and they look absolutely gorgeous. According to the latest news from Ice Universe, the wider Samsung Z Fold 8 is coming in cream, graphite, lavender and pistachio. The taller Samsung Z Fold 8 Ultra is coming in cream, graphite, green shadow and violet shadow. So darker tone finish for the taller model and softer and lighter tone for wider and shorter device. So here it is guys, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Ultra 3D plastic mock-up. Not a real device of course, but it's gonna give you the first look. So it's a short and squarish device, kinda like a passport. We have a vertical dual cameras of 50 megapixel each as per leaks. And the camera design matches that of the Samsung S25 Edge, or you can say the iPhone 16. It's got a massive camera bump, that too on top of a camera island. Now the best part about Samsung folding phones is you can capture selfies from the rear camera using the cover screen as a viewfinder. So it's gonna capture a high resolution 50 megapixel selfie, plus you guys can also shoot super wide angle shot using the second camera. Front got a 5.4 inch display when measured horizontally. Now this thing is easily reachable with one hand. We have no two less uniform bezels on the front, a hole punch selfie camera of 10 megapixel and their volume keys, power key is the Galaxy Z Fold 7 for comparison, and the Z Fold 8 is gonna look similar to the Z Fold 7 in terms of the size and aspect ratio. So now you can decide which form factor is better for you. Now unfolding it for the first time, and wow, this is a better form factor for playing games and watching movies without massive annoying black borders.
Meet the residents of Element City. Air usually has their
This I guess is a 4:3 or 5:3 aspect ratio. Can use it horizontally or vertically, however you want. Here's a comparison with the Samsung S26 Ultra, and guys, the Z Fold 8 Ultra is slightly wider and of course smaller because got a passport style form factor, but when unfolded it's slightly larger from all sides. Now this mock-up is actually thicker than all the flagship devices we have right here. It is thicker than the Samsung Z Fold 7, Samsung S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The leaked specifications are a 4900 mAh massive battery with likely 45 watts or 65 watts of fast charging. Such a massive battery inside a small device is always a welcome. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which is the most powerful chipset right now, can play AAA games without any issue. It's gonna have one UI 9 out of the box, and hopefully we'll see zero crease and anti-reflective coating for no to less glare. Now this form factor is definitely gonna sell well, mainly cause it's better for one hand usage. When folded is pocket friendly, and when unfolded it's like a massive 5:3 ratio device, better than the unfolded squarish Fold 7, so best for playing games and watching movies. Next I'll compare it with the iPhone Ultra, so make sure to subscribe. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.